Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a beautiful autumn colored inspired bracelet using the newest Softlex company design kit, Wild Mushroom? And if this kit is still available, I will go ahead and link it down below in the description as well as the current Softlex company design kit. This kit was extremely special because it included a softflex wire. They always include the wire, but for this kit, you got a retired color of the wire, and this was for the topaz color. This was available a few years ago. It is a perfect autumn color. It's really pretty. It's very similar. It's a mix between the two metallics that they currently have available, but it's more kind of like that matte finish. So it's super pretty for fall. So we'll be using beads from the kit, these beautiful little pillow beads, and then the gold spacers are from the Jesse James bead mix. I am adding in these little rondels. They look like a pumpkin spice latte, just perfect for fall, and they're available on the Softlex Company website, so I'll link those down below. I just thought this would be a beautiful bracelet, just simple bead stringing. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for a tutorial playlist for other bracelet inspiration. Let's start creating. So you will just need a few jump rings. We're using the clasp that came in the kit, which is a lobster claw. Of course, our soft flex wire. Then I've already laid out my design on the bead mat. So when we're doing our basic bead stringing, I like to keep it on the spool. It just acts as a bead stopper. Here's a close-up of that beautiful color with topaz. So we're just going to add on a rondel and then our little spacer bead. I love these check glass beads. They're just such a unique cut. And if you love all things check glass, be sure to check out softflexcompany.com as well as their live sales every Thursday, 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. There's a lot of fun goodies in there. I just love how they mix the topaz together, just one with a regular glass and then a frosted or a matte finish. So very autumn, ready for pumpkin spice season. So fun. So we're just going to keep adding on all the beads. We have all of our beads added on. We're just going to add in our 2x2. This is kind of the foundation of your piece to hold everything together. We're just going to slide it on like it was a bead, and we're going to pass our soft flex wire back through. This is going to create a little connection point, and it's up to you how big or small you would like it to be. I just love how soft flex wire could show in your design. It really just elevates it. So we're just going to take our pliers and just give it a squeeze. This is going to flatten it and hold everything together. I'm just going to rotate my pliers and squeeze again. This is going to round my 2x2 and give it a more professional finish. It makes it look like a little bead. Now you could attach your clasp of your choice directly to the Sunflex, but I like to attach it to jump rings in case I want to extend it in the future, maybe make it a necklace, or just switch out my clasp. I don't have to restring the whole project. A little bit of soft flex left over, so I'll just tuck that under the next bead. And I'm going to slide all of my beads down. I'm going to cut a good workable length from this side, from the spool. That way you're not wasting any soft flex wire. And if you ever have soft flex wire left over, especially with a retired color, be sure to save it. You can always use it for that future project. Then we're just going to add on our second 2x2 on this side. I just love how it glows. It almost looks like amber. And then we're just going to go ahead and pass back through and give it a pull. We want our 2x2 resting against that first bead. So our little rondel. And then I just like to check and make sure that my loops are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. You would just like them similar. We do the same thing on this side. Go ahead and flatten our 2x2 and rotate. We have a little bit of soft flex left over, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim that. We're almost done with our beautiful bracelet. Now we're just going to attach our jump rings. And if you're giving this as a gift and it might be a little too small, you can always extend it with a few more jump rings. So when we open a jump ring, we just take our two pliers and twist side to side. We're going to go ahead and add on our jump ring to our little soft flex connection point and attach our clasp. If you're using a two-part clasp, such as a toggle, you would attach one side of the clasp on each side of your jump ring. And do the same thing on the other side. Open up our jump ring and give it a close, and we'll hear that little click and we'll know it's completed. You can add like a little charm at the end if you wanted to. And we have our beautiful golden bracelet or amber color bracelet, perfect for autumn, using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Wild Mushroom. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as the tutorial playlist for this design kit. Have an awesome day.